So on page 37, which table is a function? Once again, that's where the x values do not repeat. So here, the -1 repeat. No x value repeats here. Here, the -8 and -8 repeat. And then the 1 and the 1. Okay, 5 was the one that they screwed up and didn't have the answer choices, so all you had to do on that one was type it into Desmos. Remember, zeros are where it crosses the x-axis. So 2x plus 6, so -3 is your answer. That's all you had to do on that one. Remember, zeros are just where it crosses the x-axis. Number 6, there was a couple different ways you could have done that one. You could have plugged 3 in for x on each one of these. So that'd be like 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 4. 3 squared is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. 9 plus 6 plus 4 is 19. Could have done that. Or you could have also done where you typed in a Desmos. You could have done that, then press this gear button, looked for 3. There is no 3, so we've got to type it in, and you get 19. Whichever method makes you happy, whichever method you'll remember. They are both easy. But some people don't want to do any math at all. Desmos makes it where you don't have to actually do math. You just type it in. All right. Then on 38, these were like crazy simple. Remember, if you see zeros, that just means where it crosses the x-axis, the x-intercept. It crosses here at 2 and 5. And then 9 was the one where they had something missing. They had the all real numbers thing missing. But if you remember, range is going up and down. This one goes down forever, and then it goes up forever. So it would be all real numbers. All right, we're almost there.
What was the last one?
Huh? All real numbers. All right, 10 we marked out. Remember, the reason we marked out 10 is it said domain. Well, it gives us y in all of our answers. Y is range. So let's look at these two. So there's multiple ways you could have done this one. I first worked it out by hand. X minus 3 squared. Well, x minus 3 I did over here with the FOIL method. X minus 3 after do FOIL, you would get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Then combine your like terms. You get x squared minus 6x plus 1. So that is one method. Actually, that's pretty much the only method you could have done for that one. There's not a shortcut with Desmos. So basically just do the FOIL. Remember, FOIL is first x times x squared, outside x times -3, -3x. Inside, -3 times x, -3x. Last, -3 times -3. That's how we got positive 9. Okay, and I had to remind some people that roots, zeros, solutions, and roots all mean the x-intercept. So what you would do for this one is you would write out the equation. How we got this was we looked at how many x squares there are. There's 3 big boxes, or 3 big squares, so we know that's 3x squared. Then the x's are the rectangles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that gives us 7x. Plus 4 baby squares. Baby squares is 4 of them, so plus 4. And then after you do that, since roots, once again, zeros, solutions, roots, all that means is where it crosses the x-axis. It's 3x squared plus 7x plus 4. If we do that, zoom in, choose these points where it crosses the x-axis, -1 and -1.33 repeating. So -1, and negative 4/3. And if you didn't know that negative 4/3 was the same thing as this, you could type it in, and it gives you the same exact decimal. So just in case you weren't sure if those decimals were equal to each other, you type them in and they give you the same thing. All right, last one for today. Okay, this is a prime type of question that you hope to see on SOL. Because the zeros are just where it crosses the x-axis. So how many answers are there for this one?
2.
No.
3.
3.
3, yeah, because it goes to the zeros.
It crosses right here, it crosses right here, and it also crosses right here.
I didn't know about the 0.
Yeah, you had to choose a 0. So all you literally had to do for this one is plot the point. All right, and then 14. Okay, this one I think I did with you all. This one, the question was just completely jacked up because they had several things missing. But basically, the domain of this, it goes left and right forever. Since it goes left and right forever, it would be considered all real numbers. Then the range, it does not go up forever. It stops going up at where y is 6. Well, since it's pointing down, we know the range is going to be y is less than or equal to 6. So it'd be all the y values going down. But range or domain, it goes left or right forever.